Hey everybody, welcome back to Gearhead Daily. I'm Eric and I'm going to show you how to make your own AC lines with the simple help of a little crimper here. We bought this crimper from Amazon for about 150 bucks. It's going to help us make all of our AC lines. I know you can take them down to a shop and have them do it, but why have somebody else do it when you can do it yourself? And I figured, well, since it's cold out, why not work on some air conditioning lines? Only made sense. So what I've got here is I've got a number 6 die in here. I've got the trinary switch, which I'm working on. And I've got the hose already put inside here, and I've got it marked so it's not twisted. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to put it in a vise, and you're going to need to torque it down to about 80 pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and torque it down. This little pin here holds it in place. It does take a little bit of work to get it back out, so bear with me. So here we go. Little tip here is when you're holding this hand, you want to push back with the same amount of force you're pulling forward so you don't twist it. Okay. It's now at 80 foot-pounds. I'm going to go ahead and back it off so I can pull it out. Should pop right out. Like I said, this pin takes a little bit of work. Lift right up. And what we've got here is a perfectly crimped hose that should hopefully last us a really long time. So this is the kind of tool that all your friends are going to be wanting to borrow because they don't want to buy it themselves. How do I know that? Because I've already got a list of people who want to borrow it. So I might as well get going, finish this up so I can get those people the tool they need. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.